Hello friends, this is round 28 of star, hearts and pineapples. To begin, we slip stitch once on the next stitch, then single crochet into the space, mark the single crochet, then chain 4. It is important to note that on the previous round we made chain 3 loops on the pineapple stitches, but this time we are using chain 4 to make the loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, and we're gonna repeat it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, that's the second loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, 3, third loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, that's a fourth loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, fifth loop, then this is the sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet on the next loop, and there should be 7 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 chain 4 loop, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make 2 double crochet, chain 3, chain 3, and another 2 double crochet on the chain 3 of the V stitch, so a shell is made. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we skip the chain 2 of the previous round, and we repeat, starting at the single crochet. We're gonna repeat it here on the next pineapple stitches. So we will mark the ending of the repeating stitch at the chain 3. So we will repeat starting from the beginning single crochet onto the chain 3 after the shell, and repeat it all around, ending up on the mark stitch.